Yes. Okay. So this meeting would last for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, we'll just have some basic inputs on what the trainers community require and how we can support each other. It's actually an ecosystem and a community building initiative. And to start with, I'm Tamim Ansari. I'm based out of Chennai. And the last week that we had the physical meeting or the uh, offline meeting. Okay, so that was the second that happened in Chennai. Previously, it was in 2022 or 23, I believe. So we had a first inauguration meeting that happened in Nungambakam. So we're close to 50, 60 trainers participated. And we just want to keep this running, keep this momentum going on so that we can support each other. Okay. So let me give you a brief description because many of you have mentioned that you went through the minutes of what happened last week. So we just had some 7 people, I mean, who participated from uh, Chennai, and there were a few people who were invited, and we had the opportunity where Mr. Manoj, who was based out of Bangalore, he happened to do a training program in Chennai, and he was facilitating the program. Okay, and I think Manoj has joined it today also. Okay, so we will hear a lot of things from Mr. Manoj, and let's take 1 or 2 minutes and quickly introduce ourselves. So we'll go with the person who joined first, Natarajan Ramanathan. Since he already introduced, okay, so for the general people who have joined now, Natarajan, you can go ahead and give a brief introduction.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Dhaval. So it's nice connecting with this team and good morning, everyone. So I am Natarajan Ramanathan, based out of Chennai. With about 7 years into corporate training, I've been training into various products of Selenium that includes Java, Ruby, Python, and C Sharp, test automation, and Windows-based, mobile-based automation, all allied products around the test automation tools I've been training for major clients, Fortune 500 clients like Alcatel-Lucent, Nokia, Honeywell, Samsung, etc. So from there, I traveled on to. I initially started my career with corporate training, and then I traveled into the corporate job works and project works. So now I am designated as Director of Innovation, Technology, and Strategy with a company named Secure Traces, where I work in business growth, networking, and resource hiring, etc. So the purpose I'm back into this training community is to probably utilize the skill set available over here for on and off requirements that we get from our clients from various tech stacks that are one-off cases like the DevOps or probably troubleshooting, site reliability engineering, or pen testing, etc. So such requirements we generally go for outsourcing. We don't always have full-timers. So I've got into the community back again to start networking and start building that tech relationship where I can utilize people for anything that I get as a requirement. That's pretty much where I'm into. So thanks for this opportunity.
Good, good. Thanks, Natarajan. So, uh, Sita Lakshmi, I think you join next, or anyone who wants to introduce can initiate. Shankar?
Uh, okay. Let me introduce myself. I'm Shankar here, who have 19 years of experience in the industry. I've, I was put into corporate banking about for 15 years and it gave me well. So I thought, okay, let me move something towards different forum where I can help people. I've been training people since COVID into different fields. And I've elevated people into BA, product owner, project manager, and program management. Main agenda of this call is I personally wanted to help people that I know where they do have some obligation which they are not able to fulfill. And personally, if you would ask me, I believe this community is going to know offer some mutual benefit to people, and that's where I'm supporting and helping and rendering. That's it for myself.
Yes, yes. And to add to what Shankar said, Shankar is my schoolmate.
Good to know.
We are close. That's also wrong. And we are kind of friends.
Yes. Okay. Right. And Muhammad Ansari, uh, but let's not waste time. Let's immediately, if one person ends, we can start immediately. Or Sita Lakshmi. Sita Lakshmi, I mean, she came for the physical meeting, the offline meeting.
Hi, hello, good morning. So I'm Sita Lakshmi. So I'm into this training industry for the past 14 years. So before that, I was with retail. Am I audible, right?
Yes, 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 you're audible.
Yeah, I'm into like various institutes like NIT as well as the Seed Infotech. There I worked as a uh, trainer as well as I was handling the backend team. I was working as a group leader. Then from 2016, I started as a freelancer and I'm now entirely into corporate training. So I'm handling full stack .NET with entirely the full stack .NET I'm handling. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sita Lakshmi.
Maybe
Yes, Ansari.
can I go ahead?
Yeah, sure, sure, please.
Sure. So myself, Ansari, I've been working in a MNC company. Just main thing I want to tell that join this session is for network connectivity. So the last week I already explained all the things. What is the agenda of my thing? What is the expected thing? What I need to achieve from this thing? Apart from that, I need to learn all the, not in detail things, but I need to know, how to handle the clients, how to propose the SOW, how to, if any challenges between the offshore and the on-site. So, new proposals, all those things. So it's just the beginning. I'm not maybe the main core team player in that one, but soon I will be the core player. Okay. So thanks for the opportunity, and that's it about anything else you want from my side. You can ask. If it like I'm ending, I'm that's it from my side.
Sure, sure, that's it. Thank you so much, Ansari. And over to Brother Manoj for the keynote or to initiate this meeting. Later we can take it forward.
Uh, Good morning, everyone.
Good
Thank
morning.
you, Mr. Tamim. I am not delivering any keynote. Uh, Please don't misunderstand. I don't know why you said that. And the entire agenda is with the Chennai trainer meetup itself. I'm just attending because I have got the opportunity to interact with most of you. Um, for those of you who don't know me, I am basically based out of Bangalore. I am a corporate trainer, a consultant, and a software architect as such. I have a little over 32 years of software development experience. I still do hands-on development. And I have a little over 18 years of corporate training experience. I specialize in .NET, Azure, cloud native development processes, microservices, enterprise application development, those kind of things. I have had the opportunity to work with teams across multiple countries, including India, obviously. So I worked in the US and in India, but then I've gone on assignments across Europe, Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, and I've done a lot of handholding of development as such, meaning migrating applications onto Azure. The last designation I held was Director of Technology at Exam Room AI in Bangalore. And previous to that, for 7 years, I worked with ADP India as the Chief Software Architect. So that way, I'm still connected to Chennai. That's it. Over to you, Mr. Tamim.
Good, good. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Manoj. I just wanted to ask you because since this is the first online meeting and we're just still in the baby steps of establishing the meetup here. Just share a few experience on your interaction with various other meetups that happened in Hyderabad or Bangalore, and how this is being effective, and how this can be made effective, so that we don't reinvent the wheel or anything
I
we need to
understand.
avoid. Just give us those information, and then we can take it forward from here.
Thank you. Thank you for that opportunity. I think Mr. Natarajan would be more expert towards that, since he has been with Mr. Vishal, interacting with Mr. Vishal on online meetups also. So you can take inputs from him. Basically, what happens is, if you've got a 30 to 45 minutes of meetup, we spend around 5 to 10 minutes introducing everyone, giving each person an introduction of 2 minutes max. That would be ideal. And then spend time towards focusing upon one particular topic, right? The agenda should basically, with one agenda, with one topic, if you do an agenda, or two topics maximum, the agenda would be more focused and everyone comes prepared for that. People who really want to attend also will know, okay, today they are talking about this. Probably this topic is not relevant to me, so they can choose to not attend. But more importantly, by setting the agenda out, people know, okay, this is what you're going to talk of. So you will have a focused audience who will come with an intention to understand that particular topic. Since it's a 30 to 45-minute thing, right? And the whole plan, for those of you who didn't attend last week in Chennai, was that we have a weekly meetup and then we have a monthly in-person meetup. So that's the plan. So the intent is to do a build-up and keep connected with everyone during this weekly meetup. And when you do a in-person meetup in Chennai at one of the venues, whatever is decided, you actually have a little more larger talk duration, maybe 4 hours or 3 hours, something like that. And the intent would be to showcase maybe one particular topic. Somebody would present something about it. So there's a learning that you can take as a takeaway. But more importantly, you can also discuss about issues or problems that are faced by everybody else. So that's how normally it happens. Hope this helps all of you. Over to you, Mr. Tamim.
Yes, thank you so much, Manoj, for the inputs. And since Brother Manoj mentioned, can we have some more inputs from Natarajan?
Yep, sure. So as Manoj mentioned, yep, we need to have specific topics. And the decision of topics can be probably a poll at times in our group on which topic to pick up. So it can be a topic of a challenge clarification, or it can also be a topic, something where we explain about, say, for example, the trending AI. Not everyone would be aware of, but everyone need to learn through. So core technologies like .NET, Java, not everyone need to learn through it. But general technologies or life science activities or probably career growth or probably things like networking. So social topics need to be considered as well in between. Not always we can talk on challenges, or not always we can talk on the clarifications or issues. So we need to bring up the career growth activities as well. And we need to provide opportunities for people who are coming up to spend 1 hour in this call. So most of us being corporate trainer know what's the value of an hour in the corporate industry ideally. It's close to about 3K to 7K range for everyone. So in that perspective, when they are coming up for an hour of session, sitting across with everyone, it's going to be close to a lack of investment that we are doing all of us put together. So we need to create value for that investment. That's what I would say.
Excellent, wonderful. So together we can support each other. That is the ultimate core concept of the community and building the ecosystem. And we at Smarten, so we are a training providing company, and we are into multiple verticals, like we're into advertisement, placement, and we have requirements from corporate as well as from institutions, and we are in the process of empowering a lot of trainers. And recently we had a couple of inquiries where we require a training program for a corporate where they require data analytics, data science using AI. So I'm on the lookout for trainers who are competent in this industry, who have quite a good experience to deal with the training where they can train professionals. So this is not for entry level students or employees, people who are in the system or who have been using or who are data analysts for more than 4 years. Okay, minimum 4 years. We have to train them on how to use AI to support in data science. And we do have certain other requirement for AWS cloud. And we are in the process of tying up with a lot of institutions, and we would require a pool of trainers to support us in this initiative. And last week, as I shared, the option of using their available time. Okay, so the trainers, I mean, if they're occupied throughout, touch wood, God bless them. So that's excellent. So every day is a day that is earning for them. If and all, I mean, they have some free days in the sense, I mean, they would be working on the curriculum or developing the modules. Even otherwise, there are some opportunities that we can support. Okay. So I'll just take a few minutes and share what is the opportunity that I have for them. As I mentioned that we are into recruitment. Okay, so we do require a lot of demands. Okay, in HR terminology, we do call them demands, where we support companies to fill the available vacancies. And since we trainers, we day in and day out, we grow our network. Okay, and we would have come across a lot of calls where people abandon the calls or reject the calls. It could be insurance or loans or anything, but any call from a recruiter, though he's in a high position, definitely, I mean, he'll listen to the conversation and he will just check what his market value is. Okay, so a call from a recruiter, person who's offering a job, will never be disconnected or will never be abandoned. Okay, and this recruitment option that I'm going to share now, maybe you will have limited options to call a person. All you have to do is identify the right resource and ask them to apply in the portal directly. Okay. So I'll just share a small video on the available jobs that we have at the moment. And if we are interested, there's a very small nominal fee to help you navigate different tools and everything that is available, so that you, apart from whatever is your gathered network, how you can source the other network. Okay. See, this is a screenshot of the existing job portal that I have empowered with, and I can help you to support that. So if you see this, there's a company called as Oswin. It requires associate program manager, and you have an opportunity to earn 23,000 if your referral gets hired. And technical program
Sorry to
manager.
interrupt you, Mr. Tamim.
Yes.
I think you're sharing. Uh, there's only one poster, the HRX recruiter poster that's come up here.
Okay. Okay.
If
Then
you're sharing something else,
yeah, I'll share the entire screen. I think that will help. Yeah. So is it visible now?
yes, it is now
Yes.
visible.
Yes. So if you
Thank you.
could see, there's a job requirement which is data analyst. Okay. It's for Oswin. And the referral pay is 90 days, because any company that recruits an employee, they expect the employee to stay on for a minimum of 3 months. Only then our payment will be released. So there's not much work that we do here. We just have to share the referral in the sense, I mean, we just have to place the candidate for interview. And if he clears the interview, once he onboards from the day of onboarding or from the day of joining the company, 90th day or 91st day or before, within 100 days, we'll get our payment. Okay, the first is data analyst, associate program manager, where the payout is 23,000 if the candidate is successful. And we have technical program manager, where the payout is 32,000. It's up to 32,000. And you have global talent acquisition lead. Okay, it's again for a recruiter profile, 21,600. And there are few high paying referrals. Just check it here. Okay. So for a marketing team lead, the payout is 48,000 and we require 11. Okay. So if you are able to place 5, okay, so approximately 50 into 5, so 2.5 lakhs you can make through this kind of referral. So I do have placement opportunities for India as well as for US, and US is very lucrative, okay, and you can get a minimum of $750 to $2,000 per referral. Okay. So Android developer, but a lot of tech trainers here. Okay, so if you come across any Android developer who fits into this job description, refer them, and you can easily earn close to 48,000. Okay. So I'll share this video also in the group, and if you're interested, you can just enroll for the program, and we can just take it forward. And apart from that, if being a trainer, I mean, I was a freelance trainer for quite some time, and at times we would require uh, someone to back us up, okay, some banner to support us, okay. So we at Smartel, we are a registered firm, we have GST, and if any of you would require our support, okay, so you can bid, you can do the entire process, and if you want a institution or an entity to support you so that you can crack the deal, we are open for any kind of profit share that you can propose us, and we can do a joint venture program. And rest assured, your client will be yours. Okay, so we work on ethical grounds, and we will not approach the client without your permission. And even if the client approaches us, we'll inform you, and you can be the SPOC, single point of contact, so that the future training programs are also delivered or directed through you. Okay, so this is what I have to offer from Smartel. Any other queries or concerns that you may have, you can just raise it here, and we'll see how we can support each other.
I got some suggestion here. Okay. May
Sorry, Shankar, you're not
no, no,
that audible.
can
Yeah,
I share some
please
suggestions
go
here?
ahead, please go ahead.
Okay, I got to understand from Vishal that you are almost 1,500 trainers across Pan India. Okay, how are we going to leverage this network? Because it's not only just confined to Chennai. I personally feel that it has to be Pan India, so for that we need to know engage. For that, I do have a plan. Okay, maybe 1,500 trainers put in one Telegram group. They are not so much active. How do we going to engage them? How are we going to make them active? It just done through some social activities, just like get connected with them over them LinkedIn, and also try to have some individual connect, at least meaningful. Instead, I would also want people to just share each other's posts. Suppose if a trainer has got some upcoming batch which he is going to train upon, so we are going to support that trainer's cause even. Thereby, we are going to help our network to get some benefit out of our networks, so that the people can also use something out of it, and the people can also reciprocate in the same way. So for that, we need some information or inputs in one common Excel where it is getting shared. What are the trainers' name, and what is their LinkedIn profile, and what kind of skill set do they have? And is there any upcoming batch which is getting scheduled? If they are left idle, who can also collaborate? Suppose if we have almost something like 40 developers who are spread across React.js, Native, Angular, Android, whatever it is, they are going to make use of those networks. And wherever it is possible, if somebody is not earning, we are going to support them. That is also one of my suggestions here.
Yes,
I would request
actually,
each
yeah.
and everyone to get connected with one of us in LinkedIn, and we need to share our these proportions. It's not just only training, but some benefits. We need to engage with some posts, with some social costs also even. Some people have started creating a blogs, thereby they are attracting audience. And I would also suggest people to explore something on TopMate, Fever, where they can go ahead and register. They can also render the service. Yeah. That's it from
Yes,
my
yes,
side. The first
yes.
agenda is we need to have some common database, trainer name, what is the skill set that they do have, that they can offer to people, and what kind of collaboration. That's left to individual discretionary choice, what kind of proportion that they wanted to have it in shared places, whether it is 50, 50, 60, 40, whatever it is, that they will decide upon. But apart from that, I would also urge people to share some opportunities if at all they have something. Not only the group, if they don't fit into the group, maybe they can share it in the open forum like LinkedIn. Thereby, our network can also get leveraged. That's it from my side.
Got it. Got it. Thanks for the input. And we did have, in the sense, I mean, Vishal and the team initially worked on creating a directory. Okay, something that you mentioned, what all the skill set and which trainer can be approached for what kind of program, and that somehow it went out of track. And even the last time when after the offline meeting that we had here in Smartel. Uh, I had a discussion with Vishal, and he even re-emphasized the need for such a directory where people can get connected with each other easily based on the skill set and the requirement. Okay, so we are going to start now because a lot of tech people here, and we can collaborate in the development of that model. And we also proposed one kind of a trainer empanelment portal, and we had another person, Satish, who has also developed something similar, and we plan to collaborate so that we don't be a competition to each other. We just want to collaborate and support each other. So we will see what are all the things that are common, and we'll see we can if we can develop a single portal which can help the trainers as well as the institutions who require training and close this. Okay, so the update on this particular portal or the directory that will be released very soon. Okay, so we are working very fast on that, and we'll update you on that. And apart from that, if individual trainer, I mean, before we launch that portal, if there is any other training requirement or any need for someone to support each other, you can always post it in the group. We'll ensure that the directory is initiated, and we will streamline all that in future. Any other inputs or requests from any other member?
Hey, Samim, this is Satish
Yes.
joining. Okay.
Yes,
Hey,
Satish, good, thanks. Yeah.
sorry, I joined a bit late. Okay, this week I will be sharing the portal. Okay, so
Okay.
we will initially have the initial vetting by the managers or the lead. Okay, then we'll roll out to the all the trainers so that they can use it, so that people will be like will be clear on the portal and they can find the trainers, and even future we can use it for the training portal scenario.
Sure. Yes. And Santi, since you joined late, still I don't want to reprimand you on the opportunity. You can take a minute time. I don't think you can elaborate on the all the tech stacks that you train. Just give a brief description about what you
Okay.
do.
Okay. I'll just quickly introduce myself. Hey all, my name is Satish. I have almost 22 years experience on the industry. So I train majorly on technologies like cloud, microservices, and DevSecOps. Let's keep it very short. Yeah.
And you can just explain on your lab service for a few more seconds. Yeah.
Okay, sure. So, adding to this, I do also have a company. In that company, we are doing consulting on these technologies, whatever I mentioned, and also we have one product with our in our kitty that is called as Lab as Service. So, this is a online portal which provides labs for trainings. Okay, it can be a server-based lab or a cloud lab. Okay, in server-based lab, we have multiple offering like. Automated lab, voice lab, and other things. Okay, and also we provide cloud accounts, all the cloud accounts with a predefined limit. Like for example, if you want to have a Azure account which needs only $20 credit, so we will provide that. If the $20 is reached, the account will be disabled. Like that, we provide that, and also adding to that, we also provide the labs for SaaS services and also AI platforms. So this is the lab as service as a thing, and that lab as service has a inbuilt assessment mechanism, inbuilt feedback mechanism, all those things are there. Okay. And next thing is another product I was talking about is the Collab. Collab is the platform name. So that is the training portal. Okay, I would say. So basically, the basic idea is like we should have a system where trainer can register themselves. Okay, and then we can apply for a training. Okay, and training companies can come and get the trainer profile onto that. So we have a proper workflow defined on the template. If time permits, like next week, I will just show the demo of the portal so that here the uniqueness of the portal is, okay, so you can find trainers, other trainers, okay, and there is a workflow for a training assigned to them. Like for example, you work with the vendor, okay, and you started the training. Like on the day of the training, it will send you a reminder. Okay, you can share the link to that. Okay, and also after the training is completed, you sign a agreement on the payment terms. Okay, let's say if on the 30th day you need to receive a payment, 30th day a reminder will send to the training company to send the payment to them. Okay, and once you receive the payment, you have to confirm them. Okay, if they have not responded, like the training company is not responding, okay, we will block the training company from the portal. Like it will be a temporary block. Okay, so they will not be able to use the portal at all until unless they make the payment. They will not be able to use the portal at all. They will not be able to find new trainers and do things to it. And basic idea here is like the payment terms and other things has to be work in a very sequential manner, like, and you agree on the payment terms. Okay, it can be 30 days, 45 days, 60 days. So whatever you want to do, you can just do that. Okay, and also the contact information will be shared only on a confirmation from the trainer or a training company. Okay, so those kind of things are there. Next week, if time permits, like I will have a detailed demo about the portal. So these are all the two products currently we have.
Sure. So wonderful, wonderful. Thanks, Satish. And I was just about to ask what could be the agenda for the next week. So we will have this demo, okay, if
Yeah.
the product is ready. And
Yes.
anything else that you require that can be addressed in the subsequent week, you can just mention.
I don't require anything, but based on the last
This
discussion,
is for
okay.
everyone.
Okay, sure. I'll just tell my point. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I felt is like last week there were lots of questions asked on the AI. Okay. So I'm just trying to develop a small curriculum called AI for trainers. Okay. So what are the AI tools trainers can use in their training? How they can benefit for that? Okay. That we can do. I will be able to present that. Okay. What are the AI tools trainer can use for improvising their training skills, or how to automate some of the things on the training scenario, so that every trainers will be uh, using the AI tools, which can be help them in the training, and how to improve the training platform and like that. If you guys are interested, you can join. Okay, I'm just preparing that now. Okay, I will let you know like within a week or two, like I'll be able to get the agenda ready, and I will present this so that everyone will be happy. Sorry, everyone will be able to use the AI tools to improve their training.
Yes, yes. I suggest, Satish, we can have this on the offline meeting, physical meeting, so that
Okay, sure.
yeah, people
Yeah.
can bring their laptop, they can have a hands-on experience, and
Mm.
we can also guide them if there is any issues or challenges.
Yeah, sure. I think offline we are planned for 21st, right? 21st of December. What
21st
is
of
the date?
December. Yeah, 21st of
Okay.
December is what we proposed. We'll just update that on the group also, and we can also share that particular offline meeting along with the agenda. That will be more
Sure.
impactful.
Sure, Rathaman. Yeah,
Yes.
21st should be workable. Yeah, that's my point. Yeah.
All right. Good. So by the time you have some more time, you have another two or
Yeah.
3 weeks, and you can have a complete module with everything set ready.
Yeah, sure.
Hopefully. Right. So any other points that you want support, or we have to discuss, or any other pain areas that you want to update anyone, or you want to update about any vendors or companies who are not paying, or you experience any issues? Probably if we know someone inside the company, we can support you on that. Or if you want to blacklist any company also, you can share this here to make people aware. Okay, so if there's nothing much, can I request everyone to switch on their camera? We'll just take a snap, a screenshot, and have this as a thumbnail for this particular event.
Kamil, I do have got one more request. Okay.
Sorry,
No,
Shankar.
I do have one more request.
Yeah,
If I
sure,
may
sure. Go ahead,
please.
Shankar.
Yes, I believe everybody is engaged with every other institution or corporates or something like colleges and affiliation, right? I would request each and every trainers to support each other's cause. Something like if somebody who is an expert in other soft skill set, they can also pitch in. They can also have. They can also get a mutual benefit out of it. Suppose if you are skilled at HR related professions, and if you are going to train people on HR, and somebody is going to offer something on Gen AI, and somebody is going to offer something on development, you can also pitch in their courses, and you can also support them. It's about no thought process, which I wanted to tell people.
Yes, collaborative effort.
And for your information, every one way or the other, every colleges, okay, in India, almost if you are considering for a graduation, MBA colleges, every year 120 students are there, where you can target maximum number of people. And if you are going to target at least bare minimum 20 colleges, you will make some huge amount of money. I personally feel that there is a huge proportion in terms of value and also the benefit that the people are going to get reaped out of it. I personally feel that I just thought I'll voice out. Okay. And somebody who is also striving and somebody who is also wanted to leverage this expertise can get the benefit. I'm open to any sort of collaboration and any sort of proportion that you people want to get into. I personally feel that the people who are attended today can share their LinkedIn ID, the post, and also they share their contact numbers. We'll just try to collaborate with each other. It's just a thought process from my end.
Wonderful. So if I have to summarize, it's like you are open for any kind of partnership, and
Any kind
you
of
want to
partnership. See, what happens in Delhi
you want
is,
to
let me be
utilize
very open.
the skills and
No, let me
competencies
be
of
very
all the
open.
people who are there.
Yeah, let me be very open. Okay, when you said something on data analytics, I remember last time when we spoke, there is a huge potential that people are playing something not only on data analytics, but also on data engineers. Where people are just paying something like 10% or 20%. I mean, initially 10,000 or 15,000 they pay, and then they are given some rosy figures by displaying some offer letters, and they are also claiming. In Delhi, it is happening, to be quite very honest with you, and then it's also there in Hyderabad. People are demanding 20% of CPC, annual CPC in three installments, and 10% of annual CPC in single shot. People are taking it. But we are not going to do that in that way. What we got to do is that when people are going to schedule some webinar, we can also promote that on our LinkedIn ID, and we can also collaborate with them. We're not going to tell them that we are getting benefit out of it, but we are going to get engaged with the people in the other way that we are also getting some chucks out of it. That is why when I said initial proportion, when you're charging 100%, 18% is your GST, remaining 84%, whatever, I mean, 82%, whatever it is. That depends whether you want to have 60-40 or 50-50, whatever it is. I'm open to even 50-50 or 60-40. That depends.
Wonderful. Okay, right. Thanks, Shankar. So can I request everyone to switch on their camera? Just a quick screenshot. Good. Thank you, Shankar. Yes. Others. So we just got 7 people out of 12. So at the count of 5, I'll click the print screen, or I'll do the countdown. Okay, we got few people coming in. Yeah, hi Sudhakar. Yeah, yeah. 5, 4. Anyone to join can join now. 3, 3.5, 2, 1.5, 1, and go. Yes, done. So thank you so much, and we'll have this momentum going subsequently the next Sunday, or in between. If we require any inputs, we can share the inputs or ideas, or we can call each other for any support. And previously we had the discussion that one person should at least call 1 or 2 people in the group and ask them for some support, or get connected with each other. Okay, so I will start that from today. Okay, so I'll ensure that I call 1 or 2 people whom I'm not familiar about. I'll just try to get in touch with them and exchange ideas, and we'll try to support each other. Okay, so I request everyone else to do the same, and probably next week when you join, I request each one member to bring another member into this forum so that we grow together and we support each other. So with that, I sign off, and have a great day ahead. Shankar, you are on mute. If you want to speak something, you can unmute.
That is why I wanted people to get connected with LinkedIn so that if people are active in LinkedIn, can share each other's posts and each other's requirements. That is where you got to get connected. If people feel some problem, people can also assist, right? If there is a requirement, that they can kill it.
Sure.
I
All
like
right.
the way when Sudhakar last time said that he likes only hitting fours and sixes, but I'm not a great player, but I would personally know how to count on defense more. But every trainer gets the maximum benefit. That's and so forth.
Okay,
Yeah.
and one more request for people who have joined today, just post your LinkedIn IDs on the group so that when I post this summary of this particular event, I can tag each and every one of you so that you get the notification and you'll get some impression out of this particular post. Okay, so share your LinkedIn ID on the group. I'll give a connection request and I'll tag you on the post that I'll update probably in few minutes from now. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
good day. Enjoy the rest of Sunday with your family. I think enough of commercial and business. Spend time with your family. Okay. The situation is quite different here. Stay safe. Cyclone is here. Stay safe and enjoy yourself. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you
Thanks
all.
all.
Thank
You
you.
all
Have a
right.
nice day.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.